Today I'm gonna look into taking care of this sun damage on these headlamps. So just want to show you a quick overview of what I'm dealing with. It's not too bad, but if you look at it close, it's starting to get worse real quick. So I'm going to sand this piece down with 800 all the way around and try to get the clear coat out. Both of my headlamps, it's the same situation where it's starting to get sun damage. And after I sand everything down with 800, I'll probably sand it down again with 1000 and a 1500. And at that point, I might actually stop with 1000 and spray some 2K clear. So let's get started. Oh, also quick note, if you have any openings, make sure you have it taped up so moisture and water wouldn't get in there accidentally. So I'll put you guys on a tripod and let's get to work. Alright, so once you're sanded with 800, it should be all cloudy like this, and the cloudiness gets lifted away when you go with the finer grit. So if you look at it like here, it's a little shiny right there. That means it's not sanded, like the old clear coat is still there. So I'm gonna sand a little bit more in these corners right there, and this spot right here, that's a clear. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna move the grit up to 1000. Okay, here's our progress. 800 grit, sanded all the way down. There's no shiny spots, which means all the clear coat from this panel is gone. I've sanded down here as well, so the clear coat will come all the way around. It'll be a seamless transition. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the 1000 grit on my soft sanding block right here. 1000 grit, go with that and get some of these 800 grit scratches out. Sanded with 1500. It's all uniform right now, and I'm going to be spraying some Spray Max 2K Clear. Make sure you wear a respirator.